I don't know about you, but I want my reading to actually make a difference in my life. So a few years ago, I decided to start reading far fewer books and to summarize them in my own words, so that knowledge really sunk in. These summaries are like building blocks that I've been able to incorporate into my work or share with others to their benefit. Instead of this vague feeling that I'm forgetting everything I learn, I can see this tangible collection of book summaries as proof of what I've learned. Writing book summaries is extremely time-consuming. It's hard enough to find the time to read a book in the first place, but to then set aside additional hours to summarize it, especially when I became a parent a few years ago, I suddenly had zero time for that. When ChatGPT came out, I realized this could be a way to create my book summaries in a fraction of the time.